Hi, welcome to the Superheroes of Chemistry, where we're exploring the idea, what if chemical elements didn't just have chemical properties, but superpowers? And in this curiosity-based learning activity, we're gonna explore the question, what if hydrogen were a superhero? So first of all, if hydrogen were a superhero, his superpower would probably be that he's super available. I mean, need something? Ask hydrogen. He's probably around. Need to help making something useful? Connect with hydrogen. He's easy to bond with. Need to help understanding something simple? Look to hydrogen. With only one proton and one electron, he's pretty helpful when it comes to understanding some of the more complicated chemicals out there. Now, chemists aren't the only scientists who are curious about hydrogen and its superpowers. Physicists, for example, are fond of hydrogen's simple structure because he provides them with the power to explore formulas for quantum mechanics. Now, you may wonder, how is it even possible to see hydrogen if hydrogen's invisible? He's a colorless gas. Well, in outer space, hydrogen can take up so much space, he absorbs light. And then with that absorption of the light, we can see it from Earth with super high-powered telescopes. Now, no offense to Earth, but hydrogen would probably prefer spending most of his time up in the stars, where hydrogen gets transmuted into helium, giving those stars their shine. Now, whenever hydrogen finds himself with the wrong crowd, be careful, because he can have some rather explosive results. He can be quite combustible. Hydrogen is incredibly important to humans because of his ongoing collaboration with oxygen to make water. Now, something to explore on your own. Hydrogen, believe it or not, is a part of a secret chemical superhero organization called CHON, or CHON. See if you can uncover what that stands for and who the other members of this secret organization are. Now, something pretty incredible about hydrogen is that when using a device called a thyrotron, look that one up too, hydrogen can create electricity. Pretty amazing. Now, some activities and actions to take after this exploration of what if hydrogen were a superhero is, I'd be really curious to see what your superhero breakdown or profile of hydrogen would be. Like, what would you say his superpower is and his super weakness? Who or what is hydrogen's mortal enemy? And what does hydrogen's superhero costume look like? Can you design one and connect it or relate it to things that you've learned about hydrogen? I'd also be really curious to see if you could come up with your own what to wow questions that you'd like to explore and learn more about hydrogen. What are the things that you don't know but would like to learn more about? And lastly, in addition to creating your own question, what else would you like to learn about hydrogen? What is it that you're curious about now after you had a little insight into what if hydrogen were a superhero? Very excited and curious to see what you discover and learn, and stay curious.